Well, if you're like me, one of the things you want to know about these grills is what makes them different and really how does each grill fit into what I'm looking for in my backyard. Now, if we start with a gas grill, we know it runs off propane. We know this is going to give us that absolute perfect classic grilled flavor. Now, if I'm cooking chicken on a gas grill, it's going to be juicy, delicious. It's going to get nice and hot, cook fast, and it's going to really provide some exceptional results. If I move into pellet grills, now it's going to take me a little bit longer to get up to temp, but I'll tell you, I get to craft those flavors with those all-natural hardwood pellets. Now, if I'm cooking chicken on a pellet grill, I get that even, sustained, beautiful wood-fired fun, giving me awesome chicken with juiciness, tenderness, and absolutely delicious. Now, when I move into the charcoal grill, a little bit longer to heat up to temp, but I'll tell you, don't worry about it because I'm using that lump charcoal to build that rich, robust charcoal flavor, but I'm also thinking, how can I make my chicken taste even better with some chips or some chunks to round out that flavor? Now, all these grills offer a different flavor profile, but I tell you what, it's up to you to pick which grill best suits your lifestyle.